Another type of question, it is based on the simplification, simplified form. As in our notes, we have learned various formula. In that formula, there is a formula: a square minus b square is equals to what? A minus b, a plus b, and a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, and a cube plus b cube, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay. So on the basis of this formula, simplification, the question related to simplification may ask. As for example, there is a question: simplify x to the power m upon x to the power n m plus n into x to the power n x to the power l n plus l into x to the power l x to the power m into l plus n. So what you will do, we have learned that x to the power m upon x to the power n is equals to x to the power m minus n, and also we have learned that x to the power n whole to the power n, x to the power m into n. So without these identities you can't solve this type of question. So you have to learn all those identities. Okay, now just apply these identities here. This becomes x to the power m minus n whole to the power m plus n into, same way, x to the power n minus l whole to the power n plus l into x to the power l minus m whole to the power l plus m. Now see, if power to the power, then power will be multiplied. So just multiply it, x to the power m minus n into m plus n into x to the power n minus l into n plus l into x to the power l minus m into l plus m. Okay. Now, if, see that formula, a minus b into a plus b is equals to what? A square minus b square. In the similar, m minus n, m plus n, this becomes what? M square minus n square. Similarly, this becomes n square minus l square. Similarly, this becomes l square minus m square. Okay. Now you know another identities: x to the power m into x to the power n, x to the power m plus n. Now see, if base is same, then power will be added. Here base is same, base is what? X. Then just multiply, add this power, x to the power m square minus n square plus n square minus l square plus l square minus m square. Just apply this formula. So m square positive and m square negative, it will cancel out. N square negative, n square positive, cancel out. L square negative, l square positive. And as you know that any number to the power 0 is equal to what? So here this all becomes 0. So this becomes what? 1. This becomes 1. Okay, so this is a simplified form of this question. Okay, take another example, this type of example. There is a question: simplify x to the power l upon x to the power m whole to the power l square plus lm plus m square into x to the power m upon x to the power n m square plus mn plus n square into last x to the power n upon x to the power l n square plus nl plus l square. Okay, so you have to simplify this. Now what you will do, same way, x to the power m upon x to the power n, m minus n. So here l minus m, so just do it, l minus m, and power ka power, this will multiply l square plus lm plus m square. Similarly here m minus n, and power to power multiply this formula, if power to the power multiply, then m square plus mn plus n square. Similarly x to the power n minus l, n square plus nl plus l square. Okay, now here see the formula: a cube minus b cube, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Similarly l minus m, l square lm plus m square. This becomes what? X to the power l cube minus m cube. Here a cube minus b cube, this, so this equal to this. Similarly x to the power m square minus n square into x to the power n square minus l square. And same, if base is same, and then power will be added. Here base x, then power will be added. X to the power l cube minus m cube plus m square minus n square plus n square minus l square. Sorry, l cube, all are cube. These are the cube. Okay, because this is a formula a cube minus b cube. So this l cube cut m cube, n cube, n cube. So this becomes x to the power 0. Again this is 1. So this type of simplification may come. Okay.